A 61 Hung Vuong Street, a nearly century-old French colonial building, is being carefully dismantled in the area near One Pillar Pagoda and Ba Dinh Square Street. 4 old villas have already been removed, opening up the space and enhancing the visual access towards the nation's political center. The sound of excavators and sledgehammers fills the air with a sense of joy and pride.
Being part of the preparations for the National Day celebrations is an honor and a joy for us.
Though it's hard work, everyone is giving their best to meet the deadline before August the 15th.
From One Pillar Pagoda to Ho Chi Minh's Mausoleum and Ba Dinh Square, Hanoi is putting on a new coat. Locals are out capturing the city's renewed beauty in photographs, while tourists express delight at the transformation.
I think we were surprised about the scale, about how vast it is. Just when you drive up, it's so imposing. It's not imposing, it's just overwhelming almost.
Whether working tirelessly on site or simply watching quietly from the sidelines, everyone feels a shared heartbeat. A Hanoi that is brighter, more dignified, and ready to welcome both the nations and international guests. On Thursday, the skies above Ba Dinh Square seemed livelier as helicopters and Su-30 Mk2 fighter jets soared in rehearsal, promising a majestic aerial show on September 2nd.